English Gyaan.
Hey kids, today we are learning about the sense of smell, which is also considered as the most important sense. Do you know which body part helps you to smell? Oh yes, it's your nose. Nose is the sense organ that allows you to breathe and smell. It allows the air to enter in your body. Sense of smell is actually the ability to detect and identify different odors, be it good or bad, through the use of special sensory cells in the nose. It plays an important role in daily experiences, from enjoying the aroma of the food to detecting potential danger from smoke or gas leaks.
Oh no!
It's very important to take care of it. Let's find out how. Number 1. Keep your house clean to reduce the amount of dust and allergens you may breathe in. Number 2. Use a clean handkerchief to cover your nose when sneezing. Number 3. Stay away from the areas where people smoke and avoid secondhand smokery. Number 4. Clean your body every day. Nose always can smell two different types of aroma. One that we like, enjoy and is pleasant, like of an orange, cookies, coffee. And the other that is unpleasant, like of dirty socks, poop, garbage. Always protect your nose from very strong smell by covering it and move away from the place if possible. That's all about sense of smell. Did you enjoy learning it?